Yo, what's good, everybody? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So today we'll be reacting to a brand new bandmade official music video reaction. No, this video is called Zen. 2 days ago since it was released, and I'm practically excited. So, people, without further ado, let's see what the bandmates will do in this official music video at this time. Peace. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. They have some of the craziest drum rolls in history. The craziest. And they are excellent performers. Very excellent. Good at their craft, good at their singing, good at their musical playing. Everything is just on point. Pa, 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 pa. Hey, ladies with precision, ladies with great musical strength. When I speak of talented, they are there. When I speak of excellence in music, they are there. Some of the most beautiful music are coming from these people. I'm like, yeah. We have a lot of musicians out there, but come on, bro. We have to differentiate. We have to set aside. We have to make some comparisons sometimes, bro. And trust me, they are in a league of their own entirely. Bars! I'm telling you, just bars, bro. Just bars! I'm telling you, quite high fascinations. Damn. Yo, look, they are skillful. They are so skillful, man. Especially with the aggression in the guitar playing. That's awesome, bro. Strictly amazement. Oh my, bro. Oh my. Oh my. Terrific. Absolutely terrific, man. Yo, that was good, bro. That was enjoying. That was entertainment. That was actually entertaining. Precisely on point. It is entertaining. I gotta say, the bandmates, bro, always full of surprises. Always comes with some excellent performances. And they never fails. Never fails. So if you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, subscribe for more bandmates. I'm pretty sure that you guys are already here, but you guys are a little bit dormant, I think. But yeah, thank you so much for staying here. So if you are new, welcome. And if you are here to be a part of my reactions when it comes on to bandmate, subscribe, turn the bell icon on to be notified of anytime I really should made about these guys, then you are the first to be notified of that particular. So I'll see you guys in the next video of the bandmates. Peace.